Hello everyone, Jialan Package here. Today I would like to recommend everyone jewelry boxes. And if you are doing jewelry business, this is a must to see. As you can see, that this premier look jewelry boxes, we used a very good quality of 1000 GSM gray board, which secure the sturdy of the boxes. As you can see, it's the shape, the edges are very sturdy. And also, this being laminated with the art paper, and then on the surface we used a special paper that comes with this raw textured. This is special paper, and this is a floral pattern. I don't know, I'm not sure if you can see it, but you can feel the embossing, the debossing of the floral pattern, which makes the whole boxes looks very nice. The enjoyable part of jewelry boxes, the insert has a velvet filled insert, which makes it looks very exquisite. Of course, the color of the insert, it's up to you. If you don't like it, we can change it to other colors, no problem. These jewelry boxes comes in different sizes and different colors as well. The white also has the emboss, which looks very elegant. This is the look, this is the quality. I hope you like it. If you're doing business with jewelry, please contact us. We'll give you a very good solution on the jewelry package.